YouTube, back with some more important information on the Infiniti Q50s. If you're trying to change the catalytic converters and you're trying to figure out how to get the bolt off, this top bolt right here, you're gonna need long extensions to reach down in there. It sits right down the top. It ain't no way you'll be able to get it from the bottom. So you have to use long extensions to get it from the top. Same with the passenger side. I hadn't took the passenger side off yet, but as you can see, if it focuses in, you got a bolt sit up top that you gotta get to. The passenger side is a little bit tight, so I have to see what I could do to get down in there. You see, I got the socket on that side bolt down there at the bottom. It's pretty tight in there, but you could get your ratchet up in there. You can only make a few clicks per turn. You can work it right on out though. And this on the Infiniti Q50 3.7. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that you gotta go in from the top to get them top bolts out. And also, if you're having any trouble getting them off, get you some blaster. This PB blaster. Let it sit on there for a little while. Maybe spray it on there the day before or something like that. Let it sit overnight, then come back the next day, spray it again. If it's hard to get off, man, this stuff right here definitely helps. Break it right on off. And also, yeah, I had to use I used that strap to break that bolt because it's so tight up in there, you can't get no leverage. So I got my ratchet on that bolt, and I put that strap around it, and that's how I broke it. Yeah, just wanted to come on here and give y'all the rundown on the Infiniti Q50. Taking off the catalytic converters, reinstalling new ones on there. Y'all stay tuned for more updates.